Entering your bills into QuickBooks Online makes it easy for you to keep track of what your business owes. Let's go over how to enter a bill in QuickBooks Online by uploading from your computer or by creating it manually. Then we'll show you how to schedule and pay your bill online with QuickBooks Bill Pay, and what to do if you pay with a printed check or some other method. Finally, we'll show you how to record and match the payment. To start, go to Bills. Note your navigation may look like this. Select Add Bill, then choose from the list of options. First, let's go over how to upload from your computer. Once you receive a bill or an invoice, save it onto your computer. Choose the file to upload. Then you'll see the bill here under For Review. QuickBooks will automatically detect important information within the document. Select Review to go over the details that QuickBooks extracted from your bill, and fill in any info that was missed or incorrect, including the category. For bills, this is usually an expense account. Select a payee from the list and any other information you find useful. If you don't see your vendor listed, you can add a new one. Then select Save and Close. Note that if you receive a bill from a vendor that you're connected with in the QuickBooks Business Network, you'll automatically see their bill here, and you'll review it the same way. You can view your unpaid bills here. If you don't have a PDF of the bill or invoice, you can enter it manually. Select Add Bill, then Create Bill. Choose a vendor and select the category that best fits what you are being charged for. Then enter a description of what the bill is for and the amount. When you are done, select Save. You can see your new bill here. You can pay your bills with a couple different options. First, you can pay online with QuickBooks Bill Pay. You can also print a check or mark as paid if you used another method. Find the bill you want to pay under Unpaid and select Schedule Payment under Action. Select the bank account you want to pay from. If you haven't connected your bank to QuickBooks yet, you can do that here. The first time you choose a bank account, you'll need to match it to the correct payments account from your chart of accounts in QuickBooks. Next, decide if your vendor will receive payment by ACH transfer or check, and choose the withdrawal date. Once you've reviewed your payment, select Schedule Payment. Note that QuickBooks Bill Pay will usually automatically match it once it clears, so you won't have to match it in your transactions feed, although it is best practice to double-check your transactions. If you want to see the status of any payments you scheduled, select this link for more details. If you already paid your bill by check or some other method, or you want to print a check to pay it, find it under the Unpaid tab and select Mark as Paid. Then confirm the amount you paid and the account you paid from. If you paid with a handwritten check, then add the number here. If you want to print a check, select Print Check at the bottom of the page. The last step is to match your payment from the bank. Find the transaction downloaded from your bank. You'll see that QuickBooks knows that you've already entered in a bill for this transaction. All you have to do is select Confirm and you're all done. That's it! Now you're ready to start using QuickBooks to manage your bills.